Welcome to the Setting Up Top Connector video tutorial. This video will walk you through the process of setting up Top Connector if used with Top Producer 8i. Top Connector allows you to import your listing data when creating a listing on 8i, as well as import comparable properties when creating a presentation such as CMA. To begin, at the top right of the screen, go to the Account menu and click Settings. On the General tab, click Third Party Setup. The MLS Connectivity Setup area displays your available Top Connector licenses. Click the MLS name to display the configuration options. Please note that since each MLS is different, the option you see may be slightly different than what is shown here. If available, click the Sign In Help link to display information about configuring your MLS connection. Enter your MLS username and password into the blanks provided. Top Connector accesses the data from your MLS using a different method than your MLS website. This means there is a possibility of a few differences regarding your username and password. If you enter your username and password but Top Connector can't authenticate your information when you try to import listings or comparables, try the following. Try entering your password in all capital letters, regardless of how you entered it on your MLS website. You can also try to enter your username in all capitals. Top Connector doesn't make use of security tokens or keys. If your MLS website requires a web username, password, and a token, don't enter the token into the field for Top Connector. If you tried your username and password, tried capitalization and elimination, any tokens, but Top Connector still cannot authenticate your information, there is a possibility that your MLS requires a RETS activation request to be submitted before Top Connector will be allowed to access the MLS data. In most cases, Top Producer Technical Support will be able to submit the RETS activation request on your behalf. If you believe this case applies to you, contact Top Producer Technical Support at 1-800-830-8300 and choose option 4 for Top Connector support. With username and password entered, choose if you would like to set up MLS as a default. If you only have one Top Connector license, choose yes. If you have more than one, you must decide which one will be searched by default when using Top Connector. You can always switch between MLSs when performing a search. Next, choose the default property type. This is typically set up to property type you search within the most often. Again, you can always switch between types when performing a search. When finished, click Save MLS. Repeat this for any other MLSs in the list. Top Connector is now ready to be used.